welcome to my YouTube channel, Jaanu Rio YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you about our nature. Our nature have plants, trees and grown life in everyone. Every day a plant grows. And today I'm going to show you about our plants. We should water our plants daily in summer season, winter season, rainy season and spring season. Every day we should water our plants. If we don't, they'll not grow and they'll die. So we should care about our plants and nature. Today, let's start on showing my plants. We open the door. Here are my plants. We should water them daily like it's already watered now. And also birds need water. This plant has water. This plant has water. These are my elephants in the garden. This plant have these tiny little flowers and pink leaves. This plant is very long and it grows flowers also. This plant is like this plant, but there are so many of them. This plant, can you see? It's looking like it's very tired, sleepy. This is a aloe vera plant. It grows into a big plant like this. This plant is growing flowers now. And now let's check inside of my home plant. Here is the Christmas tree plant. This is my Christmas tree plant. It's still the same height because it takes time to grow. Thank you for watching all of my plants, everyone. And today, you also need to water your plants every day, every season. And also give enough water for the birds. So our nature can be very happy. Now, this is the end. So, everyone, now start watering your plants and give birds some water too. Subscribe the channel, like the video, give a thumbs up. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Bye bye.